In this video, we're going to talk about the new AI features that have been added to CPV Lab. So if we go ahead and scroll down here, we're going to see a new feature here that says AI Smart Rotation. Now, if I click this for landing pages, what's going to happen is it's going to have AI look for the highest performing page within my campaign, and it's going to send traffic to the highest performing pages. So let's say I had 10 pages and one page was outperforming all the other pages. What's going to happen is AI is going to detect that this page is winning, and it's going to send the primary send most of the traffic to that landing page specifically. So if I go ahead and click this for the offers, a lot of times I like to use several offers within my campaign. What's going to happen is that it's going to detect what offer is performing the best, and then it's going to send the most weight and most traffic to that offer or offers within my campaign. This is very helpful to help increase your conversion rate. Now, if we go ahead and scroll down here, we're going to go to another feature here, which is called the Save and AI Validation feature. This is a new button that has been added. So when we click this button, what's going to happen is it's going to pull up a summary analysis here. Here we have a page validation summary, and it's going to show me here that I have a broken link here. And it's going to show me that I'm missing my step 1 and step 2 code. Now, the reason why this is important is because sometimes you might run a campaign and you might accidentally mess up a link. You might forget to, put your step 1 or step 2 code in, and that could actually cost you hundreds of dollars. You may possibly even more than that if you're running a lot of traffic and the campaign isn't set up properly. So what this does is it helps prevent that from happening. If everything is fine, we should actually have a green notification. So if anything's wrong, red will pop up. Let's go ahead and add a page that is valid. So let's add a different page and let's fix the link error. Now if we go to save and AI validation, we should have everything working properly now. So if we go back to the top here, we can see it checks for broken links, correct offer format, the custom domains. It also does the external ID validation, traffic source restrictions, and then it checks to make sure that you have the right step 1 and step 2 codes correctly added to your campaigns. So once everything is in properly, you should get a notification that says all good, your campaign is valid and good to launch, just letting you know that your campaign is ready to go. And this can save a lot of problems and a lot of issues with your campaigns. The next thing we're going to go ahead and look at is something called the VirusTotal analysis. So if we scroll down here, we can see we have the VirusTotal analysis for this domain here. And what this does is it allows us to be able to check our domain and see if there's any issues with it. And this is built into the platform as well. So these features are very, very useful and very powerful. I hope this video helped you guys out. These are just some of the new features with the direct linking landing page campaign type. So if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. If you have any issues, please contact support or enter them into the comments. It's great to have you, and take care.